Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston with a 2023 350 Realm. What a phenomenal boat this is. It does everything exceptionally well. It's powered by the Triple Mercury 300s. Phenomenal engines, very quiet, very powerful, very little vibration. You'll absolutely love them. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. Let's start at the back. Again, powered by the Triple 300 Mercs, made in America. Gotta love them. The boat does everything very, very well. What it does gives you pleasure and a little bit of fish on it. So if you like to fish, it's got everything you need to fish on it. You're going out for a ride, you got a nice, very comfortable seat. 3 adults comfortable. You can sneak 4 in there if you want. But if you are fishing, this goes right away. It's a nice leaning post, nice comfy leaning post. Got your live well, very convenient right here. It doubles as an ice cooler as well. Dump your drinks in there and ice it down, self-draining, so very nice. Then we've got the dive. I call it a dive door, but it's a boarding door. So when you have a floating dock and you're right at the same level, so it's the safest way to get on and off this boat by far versus the back of the boat, stepping on a small area and stepping down. So you always want to get on from the boarding door right here. So it does that very well. It has a ladder which is conveniently located right there. It's a very solid 4-step, very safe ladder. It just goes in the holes and just pushes forward, locks in. Coming back on, you got a rail to grab onto here so you're not grabbing the side of the boat, so it's very safe to get on and off the boat from the water. See here is very, it does a multitude of things. It's facing rear now, so you've got a table that goes in here. So when this comes down here, you got a footrest. Very, very nice as far as entertaining. Then if you want cold drinks, you can come in and grab them in there. And then when you want to load it, it just pops up. So you can fill that all down there with drinks. It's refrigerated. It's got a station up here where you can keep your food so it doesn't get wet or anything like that, but it keeps it refrigerated. So great all around here as well. And then when you are cooking, just lift this up. And you got the Kenyan grill is just fantastic. It does everything well. It's very, very little smoke on this because the burners are recessed underneath the grate, so the fat doesn't fall on the burner itself. And then you get the tray to put a little bit of water down there. Anything that goes through there hits that, goes right out, so there's very, very little smoke on it. So just a really nice setup. Good size fridge here as well. Got a freezer up here. They've actually made this a little bit bigger, which is great for keeping a bag of. Now it holds a full-size bag of ice, which is great for your cocktails, especially the martinis. Perfect. Let's hop into the helm area. So we have this seat now. We'll convert. Now it faces this way. So I got 2 people facing this way. Then I can turn the helm seat around. I have a table that comes up over right in here. Got 2 footrests, 1 on each side. I got 2 AC units in here to keep you cool while you're sitting. So if you're just hanging out and you want to be under the hard top, very, very comfortable. This will enclose completely, and the AC will cool this down very, very nicely. So a nice place to hang out if the weather's not very good. So nice setup here. You've got the sink in the corner, drink holders. Sound system is off the rock, just fantastic. It's off the charts. It gives you full bass, full treated, full everything on it. The boat rocks. So it's a great sound system on that. Let me slide this back around. Up on the helm, I've got actually a little step here, which I like. It gives me about extra 5 inches, so I'm looking perfectly through the center of the windshield. So I like it. You've got the twin Raymarine, so I can split these to multiple screens. I can do this here, and then it'll give you, I'll split this here, so it'll give me the chart, and it'll also give me the fish finder on this side. I can have radar over here. I can do anything you want. You've got backup on it. It's fantastic. It's got the trim tabs, the Lenco trim tabs. You've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joystick. The joystick, I can dock the boat anytime, any condition, it doesn't matter. I got full control of this boat, 100% control of the boat, which is great. I can go sideways with it. I can control it. I can drive it forward, back. It does it any docking, I can do it perfectly every time. It also has sky hook, so it locks me in. So if I'm going to go to a restaurant and they give me a starboard side tie, I can hit the sky hook, put all my fenders, all my lines all out, taking my time. I'm not running around the boat, tripping over stuff and everything else. So, and I'm all done. I take the sky hook off, joystick into the slip. I look like a hero every time. And lastly, the auto heading. So you've got a little, on your chop light, you've got the little boat with the arrow that goes, with the line that goes out. If I'm going to, even from here, if I'm going to Key West, I just go out the pass, I line up the outside marker to Key West, I hit the auto heading right here, and then now I can sit and I can enjoy the ride with the company on the boat, because now I'm still having to keep an eye on what's in front of me, but I'm not driving the boat all the way down to Key West, which is, it actually gets tiring. So it's real nice. The enjoyment factor for me is times 10 with this whole system right here. Let's hop into the cabin. Here we are down in the cabin of the 350 Realm. It's got some neat little features down here. You've got the porthole that opens up, gives you some fresh air if you want it. It is all air conditioned down here, which is great. So a nice comfortable seating area down below. You can put 4 or 5 adults very comfortably down here. If you want to get out of the weather and enjoy your lunch in the cool air conditioning, you can come down here. These will slide in here, and this will make one really good sized bed for 2 adults. No, you could be 6 feet tall and 6.5 feet tall, no problem, and fit easily in here. So 2 people very comfortably if you do want to sleep on it. You got a TV, you got a really nice head. So another porthole that opens up, fresh air for the head if you need it. You've got a vacuum flush head. You've got the teak seat that comes down, so if you're showering and you want to sit, you can comfortably sit on the teak. You've got a pull-out shower, which is very convenient as well. So it's a real full-size head, very nice to have for a 35-foot boat. Let's hop up to the bow. Here we are up on the bow of the 350 Realm. Beautiful seating up here. You can put 4 adults extremely comfortably up here. You've got armrests all the way across. Drink holders, remote control for the stereo, speakers beautiful up here. This will actually remotely go down and make one gigantic sun pad, which is very cool on this boat. And if you want to have drinks and food and that type of thing, you can take the cushion off. It's a beautiful tea table, and you can bring it up and you can entertain a half a dozen people up here easily, maybe even more. So it's got the reset windlass up the front, which is great if you are fishing. You can fish off the bow. Again, you can walk the gunnels because they're so wide. It's great. It's got a spotlight on the top. The boat does everything exceptionally well. So if you'd like to see it, if you have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.